Students, today we are going to start derivative of question number 2. And the last time we discussed many questions and then many formulas. Now today question number 2. Find the derivative of question number 2. Find the derivatives. Find the derivative of 3x square minus 4x plus 6. Students, how to solve this question? Solution. Here at first we have to let y is equals to 3x square minus 4x plus 6. Students, we already solved by first principle methods, and there will be del x and del y. And del x and del y are small increments of x and y. Now we are going to solve this by using formula. So here dy by dx, that means derivative of y. Dy by dx is equals to d by dx of value of y is this one. So 3x square minus 4x plus 6. So this is equals to d by dx of let's open by d by dx to 3x square. Similarly minus again d by dx of 4x, d by dx of 4x, similarly plus d by dx of 6. So this is equals to 3 is constant, so we can take this 3 just before d by dx. So d by dx of x square minus 4 also we can take here. So d by dx of x plus here d by dx of 6. We know d by dx of constant c is equals to 0. We read in the law of derivatives. So this is 0. So this is equals to 3 times, we can put it bracket also here. 3 times x square means 2 times x to the power 2 minus 1, because we know d by dx of x to the power n is equals to n times x to the power n minus 1. This is the formula. So here is also n times x to the power n minus 1 minus 4 times again here x to the power is 1 here. We can write 1 times x to the power 1 minus 1, or direct we can write 1 only, because dx by dx also we can cut, we can say like this also. So 0 is no need to write. So 3 times 2 is 6. So x to the power 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 4 times here is 1, and x to the power 1 minus 1 is 0. X to the power 0 is 1. So this is equal to 6x minus 4. Therefore derivative of 3x square, therefore the derivative of 3x square minus 4x plus 6 is 6x minus 4 is the required answer of this question. I think you don't have any problem. Now let's look another one question. That one is question number 3. Students, now we are going to solve another one question. That one is question number 3. In question number 3, we can write like this. Use the product rule. To calculate the derivative of the to calculate the derivative of, we can give one derivative. Suppose 3x to the power 4 plus 5 times 4x to the power 4 minus 3. This is the question. Now, how can we solve this? So, here solution. We let it at first. Let y is equals to 3x to the power 4 plus 5. The given condition. We are supposing here y 4x to the power 4 minus 3. This is our question. Therefore, derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx, is equals to d by dx of 3x to the power 4 plus 5 times 4x to the power 4 minus 3. Now this is equals to, we know derivative of d by dx of uv is equals to u times d by dx of v plus v times d by dx of u. This is our formula of the product rule. So here also this is u. We suppose this one is u and this one is v. So d by dx of uv means we can write like this. We have u times derivative of v. So 3x4 plus 5, this is u times derivative of d by dx of v means 4x4 minus 3, u times derivative of v, plus again v times 4x to the power 4 minus 3, v times derivative of u, d by dx of u means 3x to the power 4 plus 5. This is equals to, we have 3x to the power 4 plus 5 times d by dx of 4x4. We can multiply by derivative d by dx of to this and this. So d by dx of 4x to the power 4 minus d by dx of 3. So here we distributed d by dx to both, plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3 is here. So here is also, we'll do the same, d by dx of 3x to the power 4 plus d by dx of 5. Now this is equals to, here is 3x to the power 4 plus 5 is same. So we can write here 4 is a coefficient, that is the number. So we can write 4 at first, and then d by dx of x to the power 4 here minus d by dx of 3 means this is constant. This one is derivative of constant is 0. You can write plus 4 times x to the power 4 minus 3, and then 3, it comes here. So 3 times derivative of d by dx of x to the power 4 plus this is derivative of constant term is 0. We know that d by dx of constant c is equals to 0. Now this is equals to 3x to the power 4 plus 5, and then 4 times, this means 4 times x to the power 4 minus 1, because d by dx of x to the power n is n times x to the power n minus 1, and then minus 0 is meaningless here, plus 4 times x to the power 4 minus 3 times 3 again times, here is 4 times x to the power 4 minus 1 plus 0 is nothing. We use here the derivative of d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1. This is the formula of derivative. Now let us multiply. This is equal to 3x to the power 4 plus 5 times 4 times 4 is 16x to the power 3. 16x to the power 3 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3 times 4 times 3 is 12 x to the power 3. So let us multiply again. Now this is equals to 16 times 3 is 48 x to the power 7. 4 and 3 it became 7 plus 16 times 5 is 80 x to the power 3 plus here 4 times 8 48 x to the power 4 minus 12 times 3 is 36 x to the power 3. So we can add it again. 48 and 48 it became, we can write here this is equals to 48 96 x to the power 4. 80 minus 36 is 44 x to the power 3. We can take common here 4x cube. 4x cube is common, so we have here 4, this means 2, and then 24x to the power 3 here once. We have here 12 times 4 is 48 x to the power 4 and x to the power 3 is x to the power 7 we have here. So here is also 48 x to the power 7. 48 x to the power 7 is 96 x to the power 7 is here. When we'll take x to the power 3 common, then x to the power 4 is left. 4 times 4 and plus 3 is 7 plus we have 11. This is the required answer of this question. Therefore the derivative of 3x4 plus 5 times 4x4 minus 3 is 4x cube times 24x to the power 4 plus 11. This is the way to solve this question. I hope you are feeling easy for this question. Students, now we are going to solve another one question, that is question number 4. And in question number 4 we are going to use another one rule of derivative. So use the quotient rule to find the derivative. Use the quotient rule to find the derivative of derivatives of root x by x plus 1, root x plus 1. Now solution here. Students, here we have to use quotient rule. By using quotient rule we have to solve this one. So solution, let y is equals to root x by root x plus 1. Now dy, therefore dy by dx is equals to d by dx of root x by root x plus 1. So how to find the derivative of this? We have quotient rule of derivatives. That one is d by dx of ub is equals to, here this is the formula. So I think you know, b times this is b, and then this one is u. B times derivative of d by dx of u, b times derivative of u minus u times derivative of d by dx of v by v square. This is the formula of quotient rule. Once again, here this one is quotient u by v. Here we have this d by dx of u by v is equal to v times derivative of u minus u times derivative of v by v square. This is our quotient formula. So use the quotient rule here saying, so we are using the same. So this is equals to, at first this one is b and this one is u. So b means x plus 1, b times derivative of d by dx of u, u means x, b times derivative of u here, and then minus u times means u means root x times derivative of d by dx of b means x plus 1 by b square means root x plus 1 whole square. This and this we can cancel. Now this is equals to root x plus 1 times d by dx of root x means, we know d by dx of root x we can write x to the power 1 by 2 in this form, because root x is x to the power 1 by 2 minus root x is same here. Similarly, here is, we have to do here root x times d, this is x plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 2. This means root x means 1 by 2. So we have to do here d times root x plus 1 is, we have to write x plus 1 times d. We are using chain rule also here because this root is up to 1. If this root is up to x only, we can use direct here. Otherwise, d this times d x plus 1 by dx. D by dx of, we are we divided by this, here we multiply by this. If we cut, and this is same form as this one, whole by this means b square means root, here is x plus 1 only. Now this is equals to root x plus 1 times, this means x to the 1 by 2 times x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1, because derivative of x, derivative of x to the power n is n times x to the power n minus 1. So here is this one minus root x times, here also derivative of, we know d by dx of x to the power n is equals to n times x to the power n minus 1. So this is the rule of the derivative. So here also 1 by 2 times x to the power x plus 1 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. This one is over. Now times, this means d by dx of x and then d by dx of x plus d by dx of 1 whole by x plus 1. Now this is equals to, again here is root under x plus 1, this is 1 by 2 times 1 by 2, we can write here 1 by 2 times x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2, because 1 minus 2, that one is minus 1 by 2 minus root x, here is also 1 by 2, we can write this 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2 times root x and then x plus 1 whole to the power minus 1 by 2, because 1 minus 2 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 times here x dx by dx, that one is 1 plus derivative of constant term is 0 whole by, this is equals to divided by x plus 1. Now we have here, this is equals to 1 by 2 and then here root x plus 1 times here, this means 1 by root x, because x to the power 1 by 2 when it goes down, either you know or not, otherwise we can write x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 when it goes in denominator minus here 1 by 2, it means root x times 1 is root x, 1 by 2 times root x in numerator, and then here is x plus 1, this is also 1 by x plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 when it goes in denominator, times here is 1. 1 plus 0 is also 1, divided by x plus 1. Now this is equals to, here is 1 by 2, here is also 1 by 2, here is 1 times, it means root x plus 1 by 2 times, this is also root x. X to the power 1 by 2 is root x. So this 2 and root x is in denominator, minus here is also root x only in numerator, divided by 2 times, this is also root x plus 1, because x plus 1 whole to the power 1 by 2 is root x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now we can take again LCM. 2 root x and 2 root x plus 1, we can take LCM here. 2 root x times root x plus 1, and then here will be root under x plus 1 whole square minus root x whole square, again divided by x plus 1 whole by 1. This is equals to, this and this cancel, this and this cancel, so we have x plus 1 minus x divided by 2 times root under x times x plus 1 times 1 by x plus 1. Minus x and plus x cancel, so 1 times 1 is 1 by 2 root under x square plus x times, we can write 2 times x plus 1 here. Or once again, this is equals to 1 by 2 times x plus 1 times root under x square plus x. Or we can, this is the answer. Or we can write like this also. This also we can write root x in other way. Here we'll write the same. Here is x plus 1 minus x by this 2 root x, and then root x plus 1 times this also 1 by x plus 1. Now this is equals to this and this cut, so 1 times 1 is 1 by 2 root x plus 1 and root x, this one is root x plus 1 whole to the power, this means 1 by 2 plus this means 1, its power is 1. So base are same, we can add the power, and then our answer will be 1 by 2 times root x times x to the power x plus 1 to the power 3 by 2. This is also the answer of this question. This also and this also, both answers are correct. In this way we solve this question. Students, here due to this one, due to this root under up to 1, we have a long step. If the question have only this, at that time it will be more short than this one. We can test it. If root will be x, then it will be, let's test it here, it will be y is equal to, we have let y is equal to root x by root x plus 1 like this, and then derivative of dy by dx is equals to d by dx of root x by root x plus 1. Then you have to use that quotient rule. Students, don't be confused. If we have another one question, we can think this is another one question. And then for this question, how we can solve, we are here discussing about this one. So dy by dx is equals to your derivative of u by v. So that means v x plus 1 v times derivative of d by dx of u minus u times d by dx of v, that is root x plus 1 whole by v square, means root x plus 1 whole square. We cannot cut here. So this is equal to root x plus 1 times d by dx of root x. Root x means x to the power 1 by 2. So we have, or we can write d by dx of x to the power 1 by 2. For this step minus root x times, here also we separate it, d by dx of root x. Root x means also we can write x to the power 1 by 2 plus d by dx of 1. We have like this, by root x plus 1 whole square. So here, then after root x plus 1 times, this means 1 by 2 times x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1, minus, here is also just root x. Here root x is here. Once we have to put bracket here because we open d by dx to root x and 1. So we have, this means 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1, and then constant term is 0, d by dx of 1 is 0, whole by root x plus 1 whole square. Now this is equal to root x plus 1 by 2 times, this is x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2. So this means when it goes down it will be root x, because plus 1 by 2 that is root x. I wrote it directly because you already know, minus root x times 1 by 2 times, here is also x to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 comes, and then that is root x. So plus 0 is nothing, whole by root x plus 1 whole square. Now here is also 2 root x, here is also 2 root x. If we will take LCM, then 2 root x is LCM, and this also we can write root x plus 1 whole square, we can write together, and 2 root x same. So we have here root x plus 1 minus root x. So root x and root x cancel. So our answer is 1 by 2 root x times root x plus 1 whole square will be the required answer. We can write 1 by 2 root x times root x plus 1 whole square is the required answer of this question. So due to this root either up to here or up to here only, yes, there is vast difference in the doing process as well as in the answer. Students, I think you are clear about this one. Now we are going to solve another one question. That one is question number 5. Now question number 5. And question number 5, again we start another type of question, and our question is use the general power rule to calculate the derivative of of 3x cube plus 4x plus 5. Suppose this one is we can give power 4. This is question number 5. Here we have to use general power rule for this question. So solution, you already know what types of formula we use in power rule. We already read that power rule 1 formula. So here let y is equals to 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole to the power 4. Now therefore dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, is equals to d by dx of, this is 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole to the power 4. Now this is equals to d by dx of d by d times 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole to the power 4 divided by here d times 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 times d, same, these things we added here. We multiplied by these terms. Again, we multiply same term in numerator, and then this one is denominator. If we cancel, it will be out. So 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 by dx we write. We know the formula. D by du of u to the power n is d by dx of u to the power n is equal to n times u to the power n minus 1 times du by dx. This is the formula. So here this and this one 4, we put it here according to this one, because d, this we think it this is x, यसलाई हामीले x सपोज गर्यो भने dx to the power 4 by dx भनेको 4 times 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole to the power 4 minus 1. It means d by dx of x to the power n is n times x to the power n minus 1 times, let's separate it, d by dx of 3x cube plus d by dx of 4x plus d by dx of 5. Now this is equal to 4 times 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole to the power 3 times here 3 we can write direct, 3 times this 3 again comes here and x to the power 3 minus 1, because n times x to the power n minus 1 is our formula, plus the same way this 4 comes here, and then dx by dx, that one is 1, plus this is derivative of constant term, d by dx of 5 is constant, so derivative of constant term is 0. Students, we use it here, d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1, first here, and then second one is d by dx of x is equal to 1, this formula we use second, and third one is d by dx of constant term c is equal to 0. We use this formula here. Now this is equal to 4 times 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole cube times here 3 times is 9, x to the power 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 4. So we can write the final answer 4 times, let's write it here, 9x square plus 4 times 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole to the power 3. This is the required answer of this question. In this way, we found the derivative of 3x cube plus 4x plus 5 whole to the power 4. This is the required answer. Dear students, now we are going to start again another type of question. Okay, that question is question number 6. Question number 6. In question number 6, use the chain rule. Use the chain rule to calculate dy by dx. To calculate dy by dx, if y is equals to 2u square minus 3u plus 1 and u is equal to 2x square. This is the question. Now solution. At first we have to here is not necessary to let it because y is given here 2u square minus 3u plus 1. So solution here we have y is equals to 2u square minus 3u plus 1. So dy by dx, or at first here is u. So instead of x we have to use here u. Dy by du is equals to, you can write r. Here also d by du of 2u square minus 3u plus 1. So this is equals to d by du of 2u square minus d by du of 3u, and then a plus d by du of 1. Now this is equals to 2 times 2u, 2 times 2u to the power 2 minus 1, because d by dx of x to the power n is n times x to the power n minus 1. We use formula minus, here 3 is constant, so du by du is 1 plus this is derivative of constant term is 0. So this is equal to 4u, 2 minus 1 is 1, 4, and then this one is u, minus 3 times 1 is 3. So this is dy by du. Now again we have here u is equals to 2x square. Here is given u is equal to 2x square. So du by dx, you can write r. This is equals to d by dx of 2x square. So this is equal to 2 times, this is x square, so 2 times x to the power 2 minus 1 is the derivative. So this is equals to 4 times x to the power 2 minus 1 is 1, 4x. So now we have to find dy by dx, because our question is find dy by dx by using chain rule. So we are going to use here that chain rule is this one, dy by du times du by dx is the chain rule. If we cancel du and du, there will be dy by dx. So this is equals to, we have dy by du. We have dy by du is here 4u minus 3. So we can write here 4u minus 3. And then here du by dx. We have here du by dx is 4x. So we can write here 4x. Now this is equals to 4 times, what is the value of u? We have somewhere the value of u. U is here 2x square. So we can write this 2x square. 4 times 2x square minus 3 times 4x. So this is equals to 4x times 4x. This 4x we wrote here. 4 times 2 is 8x square minus 3. This is the required answer of this question. Students, I think you are clear about this chain rule also. Now we are going to start another type of question on question number 7. Now question number 7. In question number 7, we are going to discuss about the second derivative. So find the second derivative. Find the second derivative of y is equals to, suppose 3x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1. How to find the second derivative of this question? Solution. Here at first the given condition is y is equals to 3x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1. Now differentiating, differentiating with respect to x. On both sides we have here dy by dx is equal to, differentiating means d by dx of this y. So here d by dx of 3x to the power 4 minus x squared plus 1. Now this is equals to, this one is d by dx of 3x to the power 4 minus d by dx of x squared plus d by dx of 1. Now this is equals to 3 times 4 x to the power 4 minus 1, because we know d by derivative of x to the power n is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1. This is the rule of derivative. So minus x square is here. Here also we are using the same formula, 2 times this 2 power times x to the power 2 minus 1. So here is derivative of constant term is 0. This is equals to 3 times 4 is 12 and x to the power 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 times x to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is equals to, we have here 12x cube minus 2x. Now again we have to take differentiating with respect to x. Again differentiating with respect to x. We have here again d by dx of dy by dx, dy by dx. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु हेर्नुस् त, यो हामीले फर्स्ट डेरिभेटिभ निकाल्यौं यो क्वेशनको। यो फर्स्ट डेरिभेटिभ निकालिसकेपछि फेरि यो फर्स्ट डेरिभेटिभको पनि फेरि डेरिभेटिभ निकाल्दै छौं, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेकेन्ड डेरिभेटिभ हो। त्यसकारणले डेरिभेटिभको यो डेरिभेटिभ आयो फर्स्ट डेरिभेटिभ, यसको पनि फेरि सेकेन्ड डेरिभेटिभ हामी निकाल्दै छौं, dy by dx of dy by dx is equals to d by dx of 12x cube minus 2x. Now this is equal to, so here d by dx of 12x cube minus d by dx of 2x. Now we have, let's look here, d by dx of this 12x cube, and this one is 2x. So 12 is equals to 12, it comes here, this one is constant term, and then x cube is, derivative of x cube is 3 times x to the power 3 minus 1 minus 2 times dx by dx is 1. So this is equal to 12 times 3 is 36x square, 3 minus 1 minus 2. Now here is, we'll write here d square y by dx square. We write in second derivative in this form. Therefore, d square y by dx square is equals to 36x square minus 2, which is the required second derivative. In this way, we can calculate second derivative of this question. Students, now we are going to start another type of question again. So our next type of question is in question number 8. Use implicit differentiation to obtain dy by dx of x square plus y square is equal to 16. How to find the derivative of dy by dx of x square plus y square is equal to 16? So solution, we have here x square plus y square is equals to 16. So differentiating both sides, with respect to x. So we have d by dx of x square plus y square is equal to d by dx of 16, or here we have d by dx of x square plus d by dx of y square is equals to d by dx of 16. This is constant term, so derivative of constant term is 0. Or here d by dx of x square means 2 times x to the power 2 minus 1. So derivative of d by dx of x to the power n is n times x to the power n minus 1 plus here is y. So we have to do dy square by dy times dy by dx. We have to split into this way. dy if we'll cut, then dy square by dx will left here same. This is equals to 0. Or here is 2x 2 minus 1 is 1 plus, let's find the derivative of this y. So 2 times this is dx to the power n by dx is n times x to the power, x is y here, x to the power n minus 1 means 2 minus 1 times dy by dx is equals to 0. So we can write or 2 times y 2 minus 1 is y, dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. Or we have to find dy by dx, so dy by dx is equals to minus 2x by 2y. So this 2 and 2 cancel, therefore dy by dx is equals to minus x upon y is the required answer of this question. In this way we found dy by dx. Students, we have to do another one question also of this same method, so we can write this is 8a. 8a is this one. Now we are going to do 8b. Students, now we have question number 8b. Our question is like same, use implicit differentiation to obtain dy by dx of x cube plus y cube plus 3xy square. Now we have here solution. Here is the given condition, x cube plus y cube is equals to 3xy square. Or here we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have d by dx of x cube plus y cube is equals to d by dx of 3xy square, or d by dx of x cube here plus d by dx of y cube. यो d by dx हामीले के गर्दियौं हेर्नुस् त, दुवैलाई हामीले ओपन गर्दियौं d by dx ले. This is equals to here we can write 3 at first, then d by dx of xy square. We have to use product rule here. So we have r, here is 3 times x to the power 3 minus 1. This is the formula, n times x to the power n minus 1, plus here is also d by dx of u. We have d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1. So we have here 3 times y to the power 3 minus 1. Students, here we cannot use by this way. Why? Do you know? Because here is x, so here is also x, but here is x, but here is y. So if here is y, then it should be here also y to use that same formula. So we are making the same dy cube by dy times dy by dx. If we cut this dy and dy, it will be same as this one. This is equals to here 3 times, we know d by dx of ub, you know, derivative of d by dx of ub is equals to u times d by dx of v plus v times d by dx of u. This is our product rule. So here also we'll do the same, x times d by dx of y square, u times d by dx of v, plus v times means y square times d by dx of x, or 3x square plus, this means we have 3 times y cube is 3 times y to the power 3 minus 1, because here is also y, here is also y with respect to y here. So we use this n times x to the power n minus 1 formula times dy by dx. This we have to calculate in our answer here, dy by dx. This is the required answer of ours. We have to find dy by dx. This is equals to, here also may that will come. So 3 times x times d by dx of d by dx. So here also we have to make dy times dy by dx plus y square times dx by dx, that one is 1. We have to put bracket in here, or 3x square plus 3 times y square, 3 minus 1 is 2, times dy by dx is equals to 3 times x times this 2y to the power 2 minus 1, because here is y, here is y. So n times x to the power n minus 1, our this first formula. Here dy by dx, we'll put the same, plus y square. Now this dy by dx, here is also dy by dx. Yes, we will solve this and then we will put together, we'll take common, then we'll find at last, and that will be the answer. So or we have 3x square plus 3y square times dy by dx is equals to 3 times 2 is 6, 6x times y to the power just 2 minus 1 is 1, and then dy by dx plus y square. So let's open by 3. 3 times y square is 3y square, or this is 3y square times dy by dx minus, let's bring this in this side, 6xy times dy by dx is equals to 3y square minus this is 3x square. Now we can take common here, dy by dx. dy by dx is common, or this one is common. Then we have 3y square minus 6, 3y square minus 6xy is equals to, here also we can take common 3, so y square minus x square is left. Now we have to find dy by dx. You can write, or dy by dx is equals to, here is 3 times y square minus x square, 3 times y square minus x square by, here is 3 common, y square minus 3 common, so y square minus 2xy. This 3 and 3 cancel. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to y square minus x square by y square minus 2xy. This is the required answer of this question. Students, I think you know this type of question. I gave 2 A and B of these types of question. यस्ता क्वेशनहरु हामी अलि धेरै गर्न पर्ने भएकोले मैले तपाईहरुलाई दुईवटा एक्जाम्पल यहाँ प्रस्तुत गरे. Students, now we are going to solve another type of question. This one is question number 9. Up to now, we finished up to 8 model of question. Now, this is the last model of this exercise. Our question is differentiate differentiate 3x minus 1 whole square with respect to 2x plus 1. Differentiate this whole square with respect to 2x plus 1 here. So, solution, we have let y is equals to 3x minus 1 whole square. So we need to find dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to d by dx of 3x minus 1 whole square. Now this is equals to d by, we have to use this chain rule. So 3x minus 1 whole square is here. We have to write d times 3x minus 1 times again d times 3x minus 1 by dx. So the derivative of this is, we use the power rule, 2 times 3x minus 1 whole to the power 2 minus 1 times here we have to separate d by dx of 3x minus d by dx of 1. Now this is equals to 2 times 3x minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 we have, and then here this 3 times derivative of 3 times dx by dx is 1 minus derivative of 1 is 0. So we can write 2 times 3x minus 1 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6 times 3x minus 1. This is dy by dx. Again let z is equal to the next one is 2z plus 2x plus 1. So d, again we'll take the derivative, then dz by dx is equals to d by dx of 2x plus 1. We are differentiating both sides with respect to x here. So this is equals to, here is d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 1. So this is equals to 2 times 1. Dx by dx will be 1 plus derivative of constant term is 0. So this is equals to 2 only here. Now we have to find differentiated this with respect to this one. We suppose this one is y, we suppose this one is z. So we need to find dy by dz. Dy by dz we need to find. Now our question is, we have to find derivative of 3x minus 1 whole square by d 2x with respect to 2x plus 1. According to our question, differentiate this with respect to this. We need to find this. So this means we have dy by this means this, already we suppose this one is z. So this one is dz. Now this is equals to dy by dx whole by dz by dx. We can do, if we will reverse this one, and dx can cancel and remains dy by dx. यसलाई हामीले उल्टाइदियौं भने dx cancel हुन्छ, dy by dz बाँकी रहन्छ. This is equals to, what is the value of dy by dx? हेरौं त हाम्रो dy by dx हाम्रो कहाँ छ हेरौं त, यहाँ छ हाम्रो dy by dx. dy by dx भनेको हाम्रो भ्यालु हेर्नुस् त, यो हो 6 times 3x minus 1. So we can write 6 times 3x minus 1 by dz by dx is this. So this value is 2 here. So instead of dz by dx is 2. So after cancelling this one, 3 times 3x minus 1 is the required answer of our question. So answer of this question is 3 times 3x minus 1. In this way, we completed this first one exercise of derivative. Now we are going to start second exercise, or second exercise of derivative. We are going to start next exercise. On the next exercise, we have to start from trigonometric function. So derivative of trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. In these topics, we have to find the derivative of sin x, derivative of cos x, derivative of tan x, cot x, cosec x, sec x, and derivative of sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, sec inverse x, and cosec inverse x. So with the help of these all, we will solve second topics. And first, let's start from the derivative of sin x. So first one, derivative of sin x. How to find the derivative of sin x? Students, now we are going to find derivative of sin x by supposing here let y is equals to sin x. We suppose this equation 1. And we have to let it again, let del x and del y be the small increment. So we are going to write let del x be a small increment in x and del y be the corresponding increment in y. Then we have y plus del y is equals to y plus del y is equals to sine. Here also, instead of x also, we can write x plus del x. And we suppose this is equation 2. First equation. This one is second equation. Now subtracting equation first from equation second. So we have y plus del y minus y. That one is only del y is equals to sine x plus del x. This minus this means minus sine x. At first also this minus this, so y cancel. So this minus this in RHS side. Now let us use the formula sin c minus sin d. What is the formula of sin c minus sin d? Students, you know sin c minus sin d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 times sin c minus d by 2. This is the formula which we read on the before classes. So sin c minus sin d is 2 cos x plus del x plus x by 2 cos c plus d upon 2 times sin x plus del x minus x by 2. So we can cut minus x and plus x. So this is equals to 2 sin del x by 2 here. And cos x we have 2x plus del x by 2. Now we have divided both sides by del x. Therefore we can write del y by del x is equals to 2 sin del x by 2 times cos 2x plus del x by 2 whole by del x. Now the next step, we can write 2 times sin del x by 2 whole by del x by 2 we can write. Instead of this 2 we can put it here. If we reverse this one, 2 comes here. हेर्नुस् त, यसलाई हामीले उल्टाइदियौं भने यो 2 यहाँ अगाडि माथि आउँछ, न्युमेरेटरमा आउँछ। त्यसकारणले यहाँ sin del x by 2 भएको कारणले यहाँ पनि del x by 2 नै बनायौं हामीले, टाइम्स cos 2x plus del x by 2. अब हामी लिमिट लिँदै छौं यसमा। लिमिट del x tends to 0 लिँदै छौं हामी। del x tends to 0 लिँदाखेरि sin del x by 2 and then here del x by 2 भनेको यसको भ्यालु 1 आउँछ। cos del x भनेको ठाउँमा हामीले यहाँ del x tends to 0 भनेर राख्यौं भने यहाँ 0 भयो भने 2 cos 2x by 2 आउँछ and हाम्रो आन्सर को नजिक हामी पुग्छौं। अब हेर्नुस् है त, टेकिङ लिमिट on both sides or we can write direct, we can write dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to, therefore we can write dy by dx means limit del x tends to 0, limit del x tends to 0, del y by del x. del y by del x. यसमा हामीले हेर्नुस् त लिमिट लियौं यहाँ. यो लिमिट del x by लिमिट del x tends to 0 del y by del x भनेको dy by dx हो. अब दिस इज इक्वल्स टु, यसमा हामीले लिमिट लिएको जस्तो भयो, त्यसकारणले यहाँ पनि हामी अब लिमिट राख्दै छौं. लिमिट del x tends to 0. यहाँ हेर्नुस् त हाम्रो के छ, sin del x by 2 whole upon del x by 2 times cos 2x plus del x by 2 छ हामीसँग. अब यो हेर्नुस् त लिमिट यो भनेको 1 हो. त्यस्तै यो लिमिट del x tends to 0 त यो cos लाई पनि हो. त्यसकारणले हामीले अब के लेख्दै छौं, हामी यहाँ हेर्न सक्छौं. हाम्रो के छ त भन्दा यहाँ हाम्रो dy by dx is equal to गर्दै छौं हामी. यो हाम्रो भनेको हेर्नुस् त लिमिट del x tends to 0 sin del x by 2 times this भनेको यो 1 हो. अब cos हेर्नुस् त 2x plus del x भनेको त 0 भयो, 2x by 2 रह्यो, यो र यो पनि क्यान्सल भयो. therefore हामीले y भनेको के सपोज गरेका छौं, हेर्नुस् त y भनेको sin x छ. त्यसकारण डेरिभेटिभ d by dx अफ यो y भनेको ठाउँमा चाहिँ हामीले के लेख्दै छौं त, sin x लेख्दै छौं. d by dx अफ sin x इज इक्वल्स टु cos x. यो नै हाम्रो यसको रिक्वायर्ड आन्सर हो. त्यसकारणले डेरिभेटिभ अफ sin x के रहेछ त भन्दा cos x रहेछ. यो हामीले एउटा हेर्यौं. यस्तै तपाईहरुले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ cos x को डेरिभेटिभ के हुन्छ भनेर तपाईहरुले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. स्टुडेन्ट्स, हामीले अहिले के हेर्यौं भन्दा डेरिभेटिभ अफ sin x हेर्यौं. डेरिभेटिभ अफ cos x कति हुन्छ, त्यस्तै डेरिभेटिभ अफ tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x अनि त्यस्तै फेरि sin इन्भर्स x, cos इन्भर्स x यो पक्कै तपाईहरु हेर्न सक्नुहुने हुनेछ. अहिले भने तिनीहरुको के हुन्छ भनेर म तपाईहरुलाई त्यो फर्मुला देखाउँदै छु. इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर्मुला. इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर्मुला. नम्बर 1 मा हामीले फर्स्ट मा के गर्यौं त हेर्नुस् त, डेरिभेटिभ अफ dy by dx अफ sin x. यो भनेको कति रहेछ त, cos x रहेछ. त्यस्तै डेरिभेटिभ अफ dy by dx अफ cos x को पक्कै तपाईहरुले अनुमान गरिसक्नु भयो. cos x को डेरिभेटिभ के होला, माइनस sin x हुन्छ. त्यस्तै 3 डेरिभेटिभ अफ dy by dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. tan x को डेरिभेटिभ sec square x आउँछ. यस्तै गरी नम्बर 4 भनौं हामी cot x d by dx of cot x is equal to cot x को डेरिभेटिभ के हुन्छ होला, माइनस cosec square x. cosec square x. नम्बर 5 फेरि त्यस्तै गरी डेरिभेटिभ अफ dy by dx अफ sec x. डेरिभेटिभ अफ sec x कति हुन्छ होला त, sec x टाइम्स tan x. sec x tan x हुन्छ. त्यस्तै नम्बर 6 भनौं डेरिभेटिभ dy by dx अफ cosec x is equal to cosec x को डेरिभेटिभ माइनस cosec x टाइम्स cot x. त्यस्तै 7 नम्बरमा हामीले यी डेरिभेटिभहरु निकालिसक्यौं। अब इन्भर्सको हेर्दैछौं हामी d by dx अफ sin इन्भर्स x को डेरिभेटिभ कति हुन्छ हेर्नुस् त d by dx अफ sin इन्भर्स x इज इक्वल टु 1 by root under 1 minus x स्क्वायर हुन्छ sin इन्भर्स x को डेरिभेटिभ। त्यस्तै 8 नम्बरमा cos इन्भर्स x को कति हुन्छ होला त d by dx of cos inverse x is equals to minus 1 by root under 1 minus x square. त्यस्तै 9 नम्बरमा d by dx of tan inverse x tan inverse x को डेरिभेटिभ कति हुन्छ होला त हेर्नुस् त 1 by 1 plus x square हुन्छ tan इन्भर्स x को डेरिभेटिभ। त्यस्तै फेरि हामीसँग अझै बाँकी छन्। त्यस्तै 10 नम्बर हामी लिन सक्छौं d by dx of cot इन्भर्स x को डेरिभेटिभ इज इक्वल्स टु minus 1 by 1 plus x square हुन्छ। Similarly, in 11 number we can take d by dx of cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x times root under x square minus 1. Similarly, this is the last one formula of this exercise. 12 number d by dx of sec inverse x. d by dx of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by x times root under x square minus 1 is the formula of sec inverse x. In this way, we looked here, we solved this one and then you can try the other one. Now we are going to apply these all formula and then we are going to solve the problems. Now we are going to solve some problems related to these topics. And question number 1. Find from first principle from the first principle the differentials the differential coefficient of tan 3x minus 4. We have to find the derivative of tan 3x minus 4 with first principle. Solution. Here at first we have to let y is equals to tan 3x minus 4. Y is equal to this one. Again, let del x be a small increment. Del x be a small increment in x and del y be the corresponding small increment in y. Then y plus del y is equals to 10. Here is instead of x we have to write x plus del x. 10 3 times x plus del x minus 4. So we have to write another one bracket. And we suppose this is equation 1 and this one is equation II. First I and second II. Subtracting now. Subtracting equation first I from equation II. So here y plus del y minus y. So y cancel. So we have del y is equals to 10 3 times x plus del x minus 4 minus 10. This whole minus this. 10 3x minus 4. Or del y is equals to 10, let's open, by 3, that is 3x plus 3 times del x minus 4 minus 10 3x minus 4. Now this is equals to this 10 is here, so we can write sine by cos. 10 means sine 3x plus 3 del x minus 4, or we can write 3x minus 4 plus 3 del x divided by cos 3x minus 4 plus 3 times del x minus 10. This means sine 3x minus 4 by cos 3x minus 4. Sine 3x minus 4 by cos 3x minus 4. Now this is equals to, let's take the LCM. By taking LCM, we'll get cos 3x minus 4 plus 3 times del x times cos 3x minus 4. And then here, sine 3x minus 4 plus 3 times del x times cos 3x minus 4. हेर्नुस् त, we are taking LCM. This times यो cancel भयो, यो बाँकी रह्यो, cos 3x minus 4 minus this sine 3x minus 4 times this cos 3x minus 4 plus 3 del x we have here. Now this is in the form, we look here, sine cos A, cos A is sine B minus sine A cos B. Once again, this is cos A sine B minus sine A cos B. Or we say sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Again, sine, this is A, cos B minus cos A, and sine B means sine A minus B. यसको हामी यहाँ लेख्दै छौं, this is equals to, हामीसँग यो भनेको del y is equals to हो. अब यसको फर्मुला sin A cos B minus cos A sin B भनेको sin A minus B हो. A भनेको यहाँ 3x minus 4 plus 3 times del x sin A minus B भनेको 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. हेर्नुस् त, यस्तो हुन आउँछ यो sin A minus B भयो. यो अपन हामीसँग डिनोमिनेटरमा छ cos A cos B छ हामीसँग यो त्यसकारणले यसलाई हामी के गर्न सक्छौं हेरौं त यसलाई हामीले के लेख्न सक्छौं यहाँ भने 2 टाइम्स 1/2 लेख्न सक्छौं हेर्नुस् है हामीले 1/2 2 हामीले एड गर्यौं अब हामी 2 cos A cos B को फर्मुला हामीसँग के छ हेर्नुस् त हामीले यहाँ एउटा फर्मुला युज गरेका छौं sin A cos B minus cos A sin B भनेको sin A minus B भनेर हामीले युज गर्यौं एउटा फर्मुला त्यस्तै हामीसँग अर्को फर्मुला हामीले युज गर्दै छौं 2 cos A cos B 2 cos A cos B भनेको 2 cos A cos B भनेको हामीले यहाँ यो एउटा फर्मुला युज गरेका छौं अब हामीले यसमा चाहिँ यो फर्मुला युज गरेनौं हामीले यसलाई यतिकै राख्न सक्ने भयौं किनकि del x हामीले 0 राख्दाखेरि यहाँ हामीलाई कुनै समस्या पर्दैन त्यसकारणले यसलाई हामी चेन्ज अहिले नगर्ने भयौं त्यसकारणले हामीले यसलाई सेम लेख्दै छौं cos 3x minus 4 plus 3 times del x times cos 3x minus 4 अब यसमा हामी चाहिँ लिमिट लिँदै छौं अब सो लिमिट लिनु भन्दा पहिला del y by del x ले पहिला डिवाइड गर्दै छौं सो हियर sin हामीसँग हेर्नुस् त sin यो हामीले यसलाई ओपन गरौं sin 3x minus 4 plus 3 del x minus 3x plus 4 आउँछ यो ओपन गर्दाखेरि डिनोमिनेटरमा हाम्रो जस्ताको तस्तै छ एकछिन हामी अझै हामीले del x लिने बेला भइसकेको रहेन छ अब हामीले यसमा cos 3x minus 4 plus 3 times del x सेम राख्यौं त्यसै cos 3x minus 4 पनि हामीले सेम राख्यौं so here minus 3x and this plus 3x cancel similarly we have minus 4 and plus 4 also cancel now this is equals to sin 3 times del x by cos 3x minus 4 plus 3 times del x times cos 3x minus 4 भयो हामीसँग अब हामी now del y by del x ले डिवाइड गर्दै छौं बोथ साइडमा यहाँ पनि हेर्नुस् त हामी sin 3 times del x by del x लेख्न सक्छौं हामी times 1 by cos यो सबै हामी यता राख्यौं 3x minus 4 plus 3 times del x times cos 3x minus 4 भयो अब हामी यसमा लिमिट लिँदै छौं लिमिट लिनु भन्दा पहिला हामीले के गर्यौं त अब यसमा लिमिट लिएर लिमिट del y लिमिट del x tends to 0 del y by del x भन्नुको मतलब हो dy by dx is equals to therefore dy by dx is equal to limit del x tends to 0 del y by del x is equals to limit del x tends to 0 sin 3 times del x by 3 del x हामी यहाँ राख्न सक्छौं times 3 हामी राखौं यहाँ 3 by यो 3 र 3 हामीले यहाँ एड गरेका छौं हामीसँग cos 3x minus 4 plus 3 times del x त्यस्तै फेरि times cos 3x minus 4 अब हेर्नुस् है त यसलाई हामीले यसरी हेर्न सक्छौं now limit del x tends to 0 sin 3 times del x by 3 del x means यसको भ्यालु कति हो त भन्दा 1 हो this is equals to we can write 1 times 3 by cos 3x minus 4 plus this del x tends to 0 so 3 times del x is also 0 times cos 3x minus 4. Now this is equals to 3 by, हेर्नुस् त कति भयो, 3 by cos 3x minus 4 times cos 3x minus 4 भयो हामीसँग. हेर्नुस् त हाम्रो dy by dx, यसपछि हामी यहाँ हेरौं. Therefore dy by dx is equals to हामीसँग कति छ, 3 by cos square लेख्न सक्छौं हामी. 3 by cos square 3x minus 4. You can write, or therefore d by dx of यो y भनेको कति छ, y means we have this 10, d by dx of 10 3x minus 4 is equals to, we have 3 cos square ला हामीले माथि लाँदाखेरि 3 sec square 3x minus 4 is the required answer of this question. यसरी derivative of 10 3x minus 4 भनेको कति रहेछ त, 3 sec square 3x minus 4. This is the required answer of this question. In this way you can solve other types of derivative with first principle. Students, now we are going to solve another one question, that is question number 2. Find the derivative of suppose number A, sine 4x minus 5, and number B, cos cube 2ax minus 3b. How to find the derivative of this first sine 4x minus 5? Solution. A number at first. Solution of number A. We have to let it at first. Let y is equals to sine 4x minus 5. Therefore we can write, therefore dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x, is equals to, here also d by dx of y means we have, y means sine 4x minus 5. Now this is equals to, here is x, but here is sine 4x minus 5. अब हामीले यसमा सिधा फर्मुलाइज गर्न पाउँदैनौं, किनकि हामीसँग sin को एंगल 4x minus 5 छ. यहाँ पनि हामीले 4x minus 5 नै बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. त्यसकारणले d sin 4x minus 5 छ हाम्रो यहाँ, by d 4x minus 5. हेर्नुस् त, अथवा हामीले यसलाई यसरी देखाउन पनि सक्छौं, d by d 4x minus 5 times sin 4x minus 5 is equals, यति टाइम्स हामीले यो जति यहाँ राख्यौं त्यति नै हामी फेरि यहाँ राख्दै छौं. 4x minus 5 हामी क्यान्सल गर्यौं भने, यो क्यान्सल गर्यौं भने हामीसँग माथि के आउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. त्यसकारणले we have to put dx here. हेर्नुस् त, हाम्रो यो साइन भित्रको जे छ हामीले त्यही राख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ यहाँ. सो d 4x minus 5 राख्यौं हामीले, त्यसकारण sin a यो पनि a जस्तो भयो, अनि फेरि यहाँ जति थप्यौं त्यति नै हामीले यहाँ राख्यौं, अनि अपन dx हाम्रो छँदै छ. This is equals to, अब हामीलाई के थाहा छ त, हेर्नुस् त, हामीलाई थाहा छ d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. d by dx of sin x भनेको cos x. त्यसकारणले sin यदि सबैलाई हामी x भन्यौ भने d by dx of sin x भनेको cos x भनेको ठाउँमा 4x minus 5 छ, cos x भयो. फेरि यसको हामी हेर्नुस् त, d by dx of 4x is we can write डाइरेक्ट पनि गर्न सक्छौं अथवा हामी यसरी d by dx of 4x minus d by dx of 5. So this is equal to cos 4x minus 5 times d by dx of 4x means 4 only because dx by dx huncha, that will be 1 minus d by dx of constant term 5 is 0. So we can write our answer is 4 times cos 4x minus 5. This is the required answer of this question. So derivative of sin 4x minus 5 is 4 times cos 4x minus 5. Now we have, let us start the second number B. Solution of number B. We have here cos cube 2ax minus 3b. So let y is equals to cos cube 2ax minus 3b. Let y is equal to this one. अब हामी यसमा चाहिँ dy by, therefore dy by dx is equals to d by dx of cos cube 2ax minus 3b. This is equals to d by dx of, here is cos cube, so we have to write it here cos 2ax minus 3b सबैको होल क्यूब हामी लेख्दै छौं अपन. अब dx पाठमा हामीले के लेख्नु पर्छ होला त हेर्नुस् त, यो ब्र्याकेट भित्रको सबै लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ cos 2ax minus 3b यसरी टाइम्स, हामी फेरि यो सबै चीज यहाँ राख्नु पर्यो d cos 2ax minus 3b by, यसलाई फेरि हामी dx को सट्टा फेरि हामी यहाँ d यो cos यो ब्र्याकेट भित्रको चाहिँ लेख्छौं 2ax minus 3b because cos a बनाउनु पर्यो, यसलाई cos a को फर्ममा बनाउनु पर्यो cos a by dA. हेर्नुस् त टाइम्स फेरि हामीले यसलाई के गर्छौं d times 2ax minus 3b by dx लेख्छौं हामी यसरी. अब हेर्नुस् त, if we cancel this and then this and this and this and the remaining, हेर्नुस् त यो र यो बाँकी रहन्छ जुन हाम्रो माथि पार्टमा पनि हामीले देखिराखेका छौं. This is equals to, हामी d by dx of derivative of, हेर्नुस् त यो x to the power n भयो भने n times x to the power n minus 1. So cos 2ax minus 3b whole to the power 3 minus 1 because we know x to the power d by dx of x to the power n भन्यो भने n times x to the power n minus 1 यो हाम्रो फर्मुला हो. त्यस्तै टाइम्स cos, हेर्नुस् त cos a d by dx of cos x भनौं, d by d यसलाई x भन्यो भने d by dx of cos x भनेको cos x को डेरिभेटिभ के हो त, d by dx of cos x भनेको हामीलाई थाहा छ माइनस sin x हो, माइनस sin x. अब यहाँ माइनस sin 2ax minus 3b भयो, माइनस sin x आयो टाइम्स यो हामीले सेपरेट गर्दियौं d by dx of 2ax minus d by dx of 3b. This is equals to 3 times cos 2ax minus 3b whole square, this whole square. यो माइनस आयो, हाम्रो माइनसलाई हामी यहाँ राख्दियौं माइनस 3 बनाइदियौं. So sin 2ax minus 3b times d by dx d by dx of 2ax हेर्नुस् त 2a अगाडि आयो भनेपछि d by dx of x भनेको dx by dx that one is 1 derivative is 1 minus derivative of this 3b is constant, so derivative of constant term is 0. So we have this is equals to minus 3 times cos square लेखिदिउँ यसलाई 2ax minus 3b times sin 2ax minus 3b times 2a भयो. Now this is equals to minus 3 times 2 is 6 sin a minus 6a and cos square 2ax minus 3b we copied the same sin 2ax minus 3b, which is the required answer of this question, or derivative of cos cube 2ax minus 3b is minus 6a times cos square 80 times sin this. In this way we can easily solve this type of question. Now we are going to solve again another type of question. That one is question number 3. Our question number 3 is find the differential coefficient. Find the differential coefficient. Find the differential coefficient of a 10 times cos 5x, first a number, and then number b. Also in number b we can find cot root under 10 3x. हेर्नुस् त यहाँ हामीले रुट भएकोलाई पनि हामीले यहाँ फोकस गर्यौं र नभएकोलाई पनि हामीले फोकस गर्दै छौं. Now solution. First number a. Our number a is 10 times cos 5x. So we have to let it at first. Let y is equals to 10 cos 5x. Now here, therefore we can write dy by dx, derivative of x with respect to derivative of y with respect to x is equals to d by dx of 10 cos 5x. Now this is equal to, and say d by d, we have to write cos 5x here, d and then 10 cos 5x here. Times d cos 5x by d 5x times d 5x by dx. यसरी हामी यसलाई अरेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. हेर्नुस् है त 10 अनि यो cos यतिलाई 10x सपोज गरिरहेका छौं, 10x बनाउन खोजिरहेका छौं, सो dx मा यही राख्यौं हामीले. त्यस्तै यहाँ cos यो 5x लाई फेरि cos x सम्झिन खोजेका छौं, त्यसकारणले x भनेको ठाउँमा 5x राख्यौं फेरि. अब 5x भएपछि यो 5x लाई यो 5x ले ब्यालेन्स गर्छ, त्यस्तै यो d टाइम्स cos 5x लाई यसले ब्यालेन्स गर्छ. यो र यो कट गर्यौं भने हामीसँग के आउँछ, यही d हेर्नुस् त 10 cos 5x by dx आउँछ, जुन हाम्रो यो स्टेप फर्स्ट स्टेपमै छ. Now this is equals to 10x को हेर्नुस् त डेरिभेटिभ अफ d by dx of 10x is equal to sec square x. यो 10x को डेरिभेटिभ कति हो त, sec square x हो. त्यसकारणले हामी यसको भ्यालु के लेख्दै छौं, sec square cos 5x हेर्नुस् त sec square a अथवा sec square x times हेर्नुस् त d by dx of cos x. d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. We have this formula. So it means also minus sin x means we have here 5x minus sin x times d by dx of derivative of 5x is 5 only. So dx by dx is 1. Now this is equals to, we can write this 5 here and then minus is also here. So minus 5 and sec square cos 5x times sin 5x. This is the required answer of this A number 10 cos 5x. Now let us solve number B, which is cot times root under 10 3x. Solution number B, we have here cot times root under 10 3x. So here let y is equal to cot times root under 10 3x. Now dy by dx is equals to d by dx of derivative of cot root under 10 3x. Now this is equal to d by हेर्नुस् त यहाँ cot root under भनेपछि root under 10 3x हामीले यहाँ d times x को रूपमा लिनु पर्यो. d root under 10 3x यहाँ अब हामी cot root under 10 3x राख्यौं times हामीले जे छ यहाँ त्यही राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ d root under 10 3x by d. अब हेर्नुस् त यहाँ हामीले के लेख्नु पर्ने भयो 10 3x त्यस्तै फेरि टाइम्स d 10 3x by d 3x लेख्नु पर्ने भयो यहाँ टाइम्स d 3x by dx. यसरी हामीले यसलाई ब्रेक गर्यौं. हेर्नुस् त यो हामीले रुट यसलाई चाहिँ cot x को हामी डेरिभेटिभ युज गर्न खोज्यौं. यहाँ फेरि हामीले पावर रुल हेर्नुस् त यहाँ 10 को 3x यो भनेको यो रुट अन्डर भनेको कति हुन्छ त भन्दा 1/2 हुन्छ. हामीले त्यो युज गर्न खोज्यौं. यहाँ 10x को हामीले युज गर्न खोज्यौं. यहाँ 3x अथवा x को डेरिभेटिभ हामीले हेर्न खोज्यौं. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल्स टु cot x को डेरिभेटिभ कति हो त cot x को डेरिभेटिभ माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x हो. माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x भनेको 10 3x माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x भयो. सिमिलरली यो हेर्नुस् त यो हामीले 10 3x means we can write like this 10 3x whole to the power 1/2. So d by this by d 10 3x यसरी हामी स्पष्टसँग देखाउन खोज्यौं. 10 3x हामी नेक्स्ट स्टेपमा यसको सल्भ गरौँला. टाइम्स हेर्नुस् त 10 this one is x डेरिभेटिभ अफ d by dx of 10x भनेको के हो त sec स्क्वायर x हो. sec स्क्वायर x भनेको ठाउँमा 3x छ. त्यस्तै फेरि टाइम्स 3x को डेरिभेटिभ हेर्नुस् त 3 कन्स्ट्यान्ट भयो अनि dx by dx को दैट्स 1 भयो. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टु हामी यो 3 लाई अगाडि लेखिदियौं. sec स्क्वायर 3x लाई पनि अगाडि लेखिदियौं. माइनस 3 and then sec स्क्वायर 3x times यो cosec स्क्वायर रुट अन्डर 10 3x सधैं छ. यसको अब कति भयो त डेरिभेटिभ 1/2 times 10 3x whole to the power 1/2 minus 1 हुन्छ. यो हामीले यहाँ लेखिसक्यौं. This is equals to माइनस यो 1/2 लाई पनि हामी अगाडि ल्याउँ 3/2 sec square 3x times cos square cosec square हो यो root under tan 3x times tan 3x को 1/2 minus 1 भनेको एलसीएम लिँदाखेरि हेर्नुस् त 1 minus 1/2 भनेको 2 एलसीएम आयो 1 minus 2 minus 1 भयो फेरि एकपल्ट हेरौँ 1/2 minus 1 छ त्यसकारणले हाम्रो 1 minus 2/2 भयो त्यसकारण minus 1/2 भयो minus 1/2 लाई हामीले डिनोमिनेटरमा लग्यौं भने 1 by के हुन्छ tan 3x को 1/2 प्लस मा पावर हुन्छ now this is equal to minus 3 हेर्नुस् त sec square 3x cosec square root under tan 3x whole by यो 2 छँदै छ यो tan 3x भनेको root under tan 3x किन भन्दा पावरमा 1/2 भनेको root under निकाल्यौं हामीले यसरी यसको हामीले समाधान गर्यौं यो हाम्रो यो क्वेशनको सोलुसन हो यसरी हामीले cot root tan 3x को value find out गर्यौं students now we are going to solve another one question that one is question number 4 which is of different model question number 4 find the derivative of find the derivative of x square plus 3x times sine 5x. How to find the derivative of this question? Now let's look here. Solution. We have to let y is equals to x square plus 3x times sine 5x गर्यौं हामीले अब यसपछि हामीले यसलाई चाहिँ हेर्नुस् त therefore dy by derivative of y with respect to x लियौं हामीले this is equal to d by dx of x square plus 3x times sine 5x अब हेर्नुस् त यहाँ हामीले प्रोडक्ट फर्मुला युज गर्न पर्ने भयो त्यसकारणले हामीले हेर्दै छौं चाहिँ d by dx of uv is equals to u times derivative of d by dx of v plus v times d by dx of u हाम्रो फर्मुला हो using this formula this is as u and this one is v so x square plus 3x this is u times d by dx of v v means sine 5x u times derivative of v plus v times means sine 5x times d by dx of u is x square plus 3x we are using this product one formula this is equals to x square plus 3x is yes same so d by d हेर्नुस् त sin 5x भइसकेपछि हामीले d 5x लिनु पर्ने हुन्छ d by d 5x times sin 5x here times again here फेरि d 5x by अनि dx हामी यसको अब बल्ल फर्मुला लगाउन सक्छौं हेर्नुस् है त यसको पहिला हामी हेरौं कसरी गर्छौं x square plus 3x times sin d by dx of sin x भनेको cos x हो यसरी हामी cos x युज गर्यौं cos x हो फेरि d by dx of 5x is only 5 because dx by dx is 1 plus हामीसँग यो पार्ट बाँकी नै छ sin 5x times d by dx of x square plus d by dx of 3x we can use like this. So plus sine 5x times, this means derivative of x square is 2x plus this means 3 only, because derivative of d by dx of x is 1. We can write it here in the multiple sign. So this is equal to, so we can write 5 at first, 5 times x square plus 3x times cos 5x भयो यसमा. त्यस्तै फेरि प्लस फर्स्ट यो लेखौँ हामी 2x plus 3 times sin 5x. This is the required answer of this question, x square plus 3x times sin 5x को derivative. Students, now we are going to start another one question. I think you don't have any confusion on this question. Dear students, now we are going to start another one model on question number 5. Find the differential coefficient. Find the differential coefficient of sin ax minus sin bx by cos ax minus plus cos bx. How to find the differential coefficient of this one question? Here we have to let it at first. Let, if we'll put it here comma, then we have to write it here small letter. Let y is equals to sin ax minus sin bx by cos ax plus cos bx, or this is y. We can do this one is equals to, let's use one formula, sin c minus sin d. What is the formula of sin c minus sin d? You read in class 10. Sin c minus sin d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 times sin c minus d by 2. And the next one is cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 times cos c minus d by 2. We have this. So sin c minus sin d is 2 cos ax plus bx by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 times sin ax minus bx by 2 whole by cos c plus cos d is 2 cos ax plus bx by 2, ax plus bx by 2 times cos ax minus bx by 2, ax minus bx by 2. So this 2 and 2 cancel. Here cos ax plus bx by 2, here also cos ax plus bx by 2. So this and this also cancel. Now this is equals to sin ax minus bx by 2 times cos ax minus bx by 2 is 10 ax minus bx by 2. We can take common here. 10 a minus b by 2 times x. So now dy by therefore derivative of y with respect to x is equals to d by d x of 10 a minus b by 2 times x. This is equals to we have here d 10 a minus b by 2 times x by d a minus b by 2 times x. हामीले 10 यसलाई सबैलाई a सपोज गर्यौं त्यसै गरेर d10 a अथवा by dA अथवा d10 x by dx सम्झिन खोज्यौं हामीले। अब यहाँ यति हामीले राखिसकेपछि हामीले यहाँ पनि यही राख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ। हाम्रो यो चेन रुल अनुसार हो a minus b times a minus b by 2 times x whole by अब यहाँ हेर्नुस् त हामीले dx लेख्न मिल्छ किन भन्दा a minus b by 2 कन्स्टेन्ट टर्म हो यसको डेरिभेटिभ हामी सिधै निकाल्न सक्छौं। नाउ दिस इज इक्वल्स टु 10x d by dx of 10x भनेको के हो त sec स्क्वायर a minus b by 2 times x यो हाम्रो sec स्क्वायर x हो 10x को डेरिभेटिभ टाइम्स यो dx हेर्नुस् त हामीले a minus b by 2 यस्तो गरेर अनि dx by dx यसरी लेख्न सक्छौं। कन्स्टेन्ट टर्मलाई हामीले अगाडि ल्यायौं अनि dx by dx लेख्यौं हामीले। अब तपाईहरुलाई थाहा भइसक्यो यो भनेको कति हुन्छ 1 हुन्छ। त्यसकारण हाम्रो अब आन्सर लगभग आइसकेको छ। यो dx by dx को डेरिभेटिभ 1 भएपछि हामीले यसलाई चाहिँ के लेखौं 1/2 लेखौं a minus b लेखिदिउँ। हेर्नुस् त यो 1/2 बनायौं हामीले यसलाई a minus b टाइम्स sec square a minus b by 2 times x is the required answer of this one question। हेर्नुस् त dy by dx y भनेको हाम्रो यो पुरै पार्टलाई हामीले y मानेका छौं त्यसकारण यसको डेरिभेटिभ चाहिँ यति भयो भनेर हामीले यसको आन्सर निकाल्यौं। Students, now we are going to do another one type of question on next question number. This is different types of question than the above. And start question number 6. Find the derivative of sin 6x times cos 4x. Now solution. We have to let at first let y is equals to sin 6x cos 4x. So here we have two ways. We can use product rule at first. So dy by dx derivative of therefore derivative of y with respect to x is equals to d by dx of sin 6x cos 4x. This is equals to, we have to use the product rule. So u d by dx of uv is u times u means sin 6x u times derivative of d by dx of v. U times derivative of v plus v means this means u, this means v. V times means cos 4x times derivative of u means d by dx of u means sin 6x. Sin 6x. So this is equal to sin 6x times d by dx of cos 4x. So we have to make it also here 4x. So d cos 4x by d 4x here times d 4x by dx So we close it by the bracket, plus here also cos 4x means cos same 4x times d sine 6x by d, this dx, instead of dx we write d6x times d6x by dx. Now this is equals to sine 6x times d by dx of cos 4x by 4x means d by dx of cos x is minus sine x minus sine 4x. We know the derivative of cos x is equal to minus sine x. Plus, not plus here, times we have here d4x by dx is 4 only because dx by dx is 1, plus cos 4x times d by d6x by sine x means derivative of d by dx of sine x, x is equal to cos x. So using the same here, this means cos 6x times d by dx of 6x is only 6 times 6. Now this is equal to minus, we can write minus, here is 4 and then sine 6x times sine 4x plus 6 times cos 6x times cos 4x. Now we can use the formula. This is equal to sin A sin B. Two sin A sin B formula we can use, or we can write this at first. 6 means we can write 3 times 2 cos 6x cos 4x. This one we can use 2 cos A cos B formula, minus here 2 times 2 sin 6x times sin 4x. We can use this formula also, 2 sin A sin B. So this is equal to 3 times 2 cos A cos B. The formula of 2 cos A cos B is, look here, 2 cos A cos B is equals to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This formula here. So using the same, students, we can give the answer in this step also, or if we want to change in the next form, we are going to show this. हेर्नुस् है, हामीले नेक्स्ट फर्ममा पनि आन्सर देखाउन खोजिरहेका छौं. 3 times 2 cos A cos B भनेको cos A means 6x, B means 4x. 6x plus 4x times plus cos 6x minus 4x. Minus 2 times 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B is 2 sin A sin B is, here also we can write, instead of this minus, if you write here plus, we can write it here minus also. So here will be plus, we have such type of formula. यस्तो पनि हामीसँग फर्मुला छ, त्यसकारण हामी माइनस राख्यौं भने हामीसँग cos A plus B minus cos A minus B यो फर्मुला छ हामीसँग. So we have here cos A means के छ त हामीसँग, cos A भनेको 6x plus 4x minus cos 6x minus 4x. Now this is equals to 3 times cos 10x. हामी यसले ओपन गर्दियौ 3 cos 10x plus 3 cos 2x plus 2 cos 10x minus 2 cos 2x. We can cancel this sign. No. Now this is equal to 3 cos 10x, 2 cos 10x. It became 5 cos 10x plus 2 cos 2x and minus 3 cos 2x and 2 cos 2x is cos 2x, and this is the required answer of this question. Students, यसलाई हामी अर्को वेबाट पनि हेर्न सक्छौं. हेर्नुस् है त, हामीले यो पहिला प्रोडक्ट रुल गरेर पछि यो फर्मुला लगायौं. यदि हामीले फर्स्टमै फर्मुला लगाए भए के हुन्थ्यो अब एकछिन हेरौं है त. हामी यसलाई अल्टरनेटिभ मेथडको रूपमा लिन्छौं. Alternative way. यो वेबाट है त हामी हेरौं. Now we are going to do this alternative way. Here let y is equal to this one. So sin a cos b, we have to use 1 by 2 times 2 sin 6x cos 4x. What is the formula of 2 sin a cos b? You know 1 by 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. This is the formula. Now this is equals to 1 by 2 sin 10x plus sin 2x. अब यसको हामी हेर्नुस् त, यसको डेरिभेटिभ निकाल्न पनि हामी सक्छौं. अब therefore derivative of y with respect to x is equals to d by dx of 1 by 2 sin 10x plus sin 2x. So this is equals to 1 by 2 हामी अगाडि राखिदियौ, d by dx of sin 10x plus d by dx of sin 2x. This is equal to 1 by 2 d sin 10x by d 10x times d 10x by dx. त्यस्तै प्लस यहाँ पनि हामी त्यस्तै गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. हेर्नुस् त, d sin 2x by d 2x times d 2x by dx. Yeah, 1 by 2 for all here. This is equal to 1 by 2. This is derivative of sin x is cos x, so cos 10x times 10 here. d यो 10 constant अगाडि आयो, so dx by dx is 1 plus हेर्नुस् त, d by dx of sin x भनेको cos 2x, derivative of sin x is cos x times यसको 2 भयो, dx by dx is 1. Now this is equal to, अब यहाँबाट हामी 2 कमन लिदियौ, 1 by 2 times 2 कमन आयो भने हामीसँग यहाँ रहन्छ 5 cos 10x plus cos 2x. This and this cut. This is equal to 5 cos 10x plus cos 2x. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो के हो त, आन्सर हो. हेर्नुस् त, हामीले अघिल्लो मेथडबाट गर्दा पनि यही आन्सर आथ्यो भने यो मेथडबाट गर्दा पनि यही आन्सर आयो. तपाईहरुलाई जुन सजिलो लाग्छ त्यही युज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. पक्कै तपाईहरुलाई यो नै छोटो लाग्यो होला हैन त.